Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought of making a vlog. So look at my kitchen, it's very messy today. So I have to just clean this. This is my breakfast utensils. Now I want to just make my uh, afternoon lunch. So let's get started. First let's clean the kitchen. I just clean this after every wash. Whenever I wash the vessels, I just clean this out. So this is my DIY organizer. So I made my own kitchen refreshener. This is vanilla and lemon refreshener. So I'm going to use it for the fragrance. And if you want to know how I made this, please write it in the comments below. So I'm done with my kitchen, so it's perfectly clean now. Now let's start with the cooking part. So I'm thinking of making pulao and crab roast for the lunch and Greek salad along with it. So for the pulao, first I'm going to take one cup of this orange lentils with the skin. We need to soak this. I'm just going to add this and just wash
I
it.
have also washed 1.5 kilo of rice.
So this is the crab. I had already washed it and kept it in the freezer. So I just removed it for it to defrost. I'm planning to make Kerala style crab roast. This is around 1.5 kilo of crabs. So let's soak this in the water for it to defrost. By the time we'll prepare our masala. So I've taken around 4 onions. Now let's just peel it out. Along with this, I had peeled and washed the potatoes. This is around, 4 potatoes, medium-sized potatoes. So I'm cutting them into chunks. I like drinking coffee, so I just tried to prepare coffee for myself. While doing work, I feel like drinking coffee. I guess everybody does the same. Some drink coffee and some tea. So here's my coffee. So let's continue our work. So I have this chicken sausages which I'll be using it for the pulao. If you don't like this, you can just omit this and you can go for soya chunks, or you can completely omit this. So I'm going to use the whole pack. This is around 340 grams. So I'm just going to cut this into chunks, like bite size I want, that's it, this size. These, this is my son's favorite. My kids, they just love this. Without this, they don't prefer pulao. They need something. I have kept a large pot since I'm preparing in a bulk, I'm just taking a large one. I didn't have the smaller size one. So into this I'm going to add around 1 cup oil. For daily purpose I don't measure each and everything. Since I'm telling you all, I'm just measuring it and telling it. I just add it randomly. The oil has started to heat. Now let's add the onions which we had chopped. These are 4 onions sliced. So this is a 1-pot dish. This is my friend's recipe basically. Actually we are expats here, so we have friends from different places, from Jammu, from Punjab, from Kerala, from Pakistan, from various places, from Philippines. So this is one of my friend's recipe, and this is my all-time favorite when she prepares this. So I just took the recipe from her and I'm just making it. I just want the onions to translucent and just slightly change their color. By the time the onions get translucent, let's prepare the salad for the pulao. I'm preparing Greek salad. So I'm taking around half onion. This is a large onion, so I'm going to take only half of this and I'm going to just finely chop this. So I'm going to add it into a mixing bowl. One small tomato. Scoop out the seeds, or it will become soggy. We don't want the seeds. So this is done. I'm taking around 4 cucumbers. These are the local one. So this is done. So for the salad, now I'm going to add 1 small green chili, finely chopped. This is totally optional. I want it spicy, so as we are Indians, we eat a little bit spicy. So I added it. So into this, now I'm going to add 1 cup pitted olives, 1 teaspoon vinegar, salt as required. So let's give it a quick stir. Mix it well. If you want, you can also add lettuce. I don't like the flavor of lettuce personally, but sometimes I do eat it. But today I'm not going to add it. Meanwhile, let's check our onions. They have caramelized. I kept checking it while making salad. So now into this I'm going to add the potatoes which we had chopped and the chicken sausages. 1.5 tablespoon ginger paste, 1.5 tablespoon garlic paste. So let's stir this quickly. So now I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder. I have kept my measuring spoons in every jar. That becomes easy for me, or else I have to keep searching for the spoon. And now I'm going to add around 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Now later on I'll just adjust the salt. 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, that's the allspice. And now I'm going to add turmeric, half teaspoon. So into this I'm going to add fenugreek leaves, dried fenugreek leaves, handful. I personally love this as it adds to the flavor. Now let's quickly stir this. I have just reduced the flame. Now it's on low flame. Now I'm going to add around 1 cup yogurt. Let's stir it quickly to avoid lumps. Or else the yogurt gets separated. Extract of 1 large lemon. 3 medium-sized tomatoes, randomly just roughly chopped. I'm just going to cook this for a minute. I want the tomatoes and the yakni to infuse the flavors and just blend with each other. So this is perfect. Now I'm going to add water. Totally 2 liters I added. So I will adjust the salt once I add the rice. Now I want the water to bubble. I'm going to cover it. So let's check our thing. Yeah, so water have started to bubble now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add the rice. Basmati rice, which we had washed and soaked it long. Let's stir this quickly. And now I'm going to add mint leaves, handful of mint leaves. I don't have coriander, actually it's out of stock in my house, so I did not add, but if you have it you can also add coriander leaves. I'm going to cover this now. So meanwhile, let's prepare our crab roast. I have kept a wok on the stove. I have kept it on low flame. Into this I'm going to add some oil. I'm adding around half cup of oil. For the crab roast, I'm going to add around 4 onions, medium-sized onion, medium to large size, finely chopped, sliced. I have actually sliced it. So let's wait for the onions to get translucent. Now for the crab masala, I have one pod of garlic, one whole pod. Then I took half small onion sliced, 1.5 teaspoons of peppercorn, black peppercorn, and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. And I'm going to actually you need ginger. Since I don't have the whole ginger, I'm going to add ginger paste. So I'm going to just grind this to a fine paste. I'm going to add very little water, around 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. That's it. So this is my paste. So this is perfect. Now onions have become translucent. By the time it became translucent, we made the paste. Now I'm going to add the paste and just stir it. 1 sprig of curry leaves. I had already washed it. Since we didn't add ginger, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Now quickly stir this. Extract of 1 lemon, small lemon. And now 2 green chilies chopped. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon. My chili powder is spicy, so I'm just going to add that much. You can just adjust it according to your taste. And then I'm going to add half teaspoon allspice powder, that's the garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 large tomato sliced, or else you can also use 2 tomatoes, small size, and just stir it quickly. I'm going to add salt as required. And lastly, now I'm going to add my crabs into this. and just stir it nicely. So into this I'm going to add around half cup of water, as this is crab roast. It should be dry, but if you want it to be little gravy type, you can just add some more water. Give it a quick stir, and now I'm going to cover this and cook on low flame for 10 to 12. So let's check our crabs. They have turned orange in color. That means our crabs are done. Now let's turn off the stove. So let's transfer this into a serving dish. So our pilau is ready, our crabs are ready, and lastly into the salad I'm going to add crumbled feta cheese, around half cup. So this is our lunch: crab roast, pilau and Greek salad. That's it for today. If you want more such vlogs, please do write it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Thank you for watching.